Oh, so you're here looking for another success story. I've got a great one for you. Let me tell you about Hakan. Hakan is from Turkey and he's a fantastic professor. He lectures at one of the top universities in Istanbul. Hakan came to me because he was rather embarrassed. You see, the thing is, as a professor at the top of his game, he's expected to speak English at an exceptionally high level. Here's the problem. Hakan didn't believe he could. Now, Hakan really could speak good English, but the problem is how he was thinking, his psychology, his mindset about his English was getting in the way. He said to me, every time I go to present, either at a conference internationally, a webinar, or have to lecture using English, he said, I start to stutter. I start to make mistakes. I begin to fall over my words. I go blank. I forget what I'm going to say, and I make a complete fool of myself. And he said, I just can't afford to do this. It's going to completely destroy my career. In fact, it was so bad when Hakan contacted me that he was really worried whether he should continue lecturing or not, because he said, if I can't get past this, my boss is just not going to want me to continue in my tenure, because he was expected to be presenting more at these international conferences. The thing is, are you like Hakan? Are you stuck in this position? Because as a professional at a very top end of your game using your native language, I get it. It can be embarrassing, right? To have to say, I can't do this in English, but you are kind of an educated professional. You're supposed to know how to do this in English. I say, nonsense. You're not expected to know anything. If you haven't got an excellent level of English compared to your native language, it's no reflection of how intelligent or smart you are at your job, or indeed as a human being. It simply means that you haven't either had the opportunity or the right support, more importantly, to get yourself there where you need to be, so that your English is just as impressive when you're speaking to your colleagues or perhaps others at seminars or in plenaries as your native language. Now, here's the good news. By working with me on my 3-month masterclass intensive course, it doesn't matter whether you are a doctor, a psychologist, a counselor, an educator like Hakan, maybe you're a lawyer, okay? You might be an IT manager, you may be a CEO, a director of a company. Good gracious, you might even be a diplomat. I've worked with a few diplomats in my time as well. The point is, doesn't matter who you are and what sector you're in, I can absolutely guarantee you within that 3-month program, we will improve your confidence. We will have you using more expansive and expressive English language sentences. You will have a more diverse range of vocabulary, and you will feel, most importantly, more confident when you're speaking. You'll actually enjoy going to your presentations, no longer fear them. So that's the great news for you. If you're interested in that, don't miss out. There is an opportunity at the moment to get that 3-month program with me, one to one, Zoom or Telegram call, for 50% discount, but it won't last long. Follow the links down below, get yourself booked in. The first 30 minutes that we have is a exploratory session to find out exactly where you are and to show you how coaching can work. If you don't love that 30-minute session, if you feel that we haven't helped you feel more confident or understand what's going wrong for you, I will refund your money, 100% guaranteed. The only thing I can't refund is the processing fee for the card payment, but other than that, everything comes back to you. That's how confident I am I can assist you, and you're going to love what we do. So check me out, get down to the links below. Don't be a hack, get in touch. I can absolutely help you. See you soon.